Welcome to my basic overview of how to do word processing properly. I'm going to use Pages for this, but actually these skills are transferable to any word processor, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and so on. Step one, when I'm getting kids to word process, I'm probably getting them to publish something. I rarely see the point in them starting from a completely blank document, even though most teachers do. The Apple templates in particular are great, and it will save a lot of time and a lot of effort. So I'm going to pick School Report, it's quite a useful one. And one of the really good things about using a template is we can actually teach some good habits. Unfortunately, most teachers have taught themselves, but that means that they've also learned a lot of bad habits or never been taught properly. In this case, for example, I'm going to open up the styles drawer, something teachers rarely use. And over here, you can see that there are a whole bunch of styles assigned to this document. Don't know if that put you off. But the main ones that you would use the students are title, subtitle. If I go down here, we've got, what's this one? Heading 1 and heading 2. So if I was word processing this, I would probably have drafted it in Google Docs, and then I'd be copying and pasting the text in, not in one massive go, but bit by bit into the template as I needed to. So first on styles, these are really useful. For example, you might decide that you don't like this font, Botany Report. I'm going to change down here. Let's change this to a new title. Now, obviously, these kids could type it in, or they could copy and paste it in. I'm going to just type for now, but you're going to see that I decide I don't want this font. I go up here, change the font. Now, this has now stayed the same. This is different. If you look over here, that's because I need to update this. Over here, there's a little red arrow. It means that Pages are telling you, whoa, you've changed the style. What are you doing? Click on this, redefine style. So you've basically told it, yeah, I want to use this in my titles. When I scroll down, ta-da, the title has changed. Same thing true for other styles. So for example, I'm just going to go down here. This is heading 1, say. Let's put a new heading in. How about here? New heading. What a wonderfully original title. To assign some text. This is currently body text, as you can see from up here. That's what we call all the main text in the body of the document. I'm now going to tell it this is not body text, it's a heading. Heading 2, please, and you'll see it takes on the same formatting. Here's where you say, but I don't like that font. Fine, go over here, pick a font you do like. I'm going to pick Goody Stout because it's one of the most ugliest fonts I've ever heard of. Over here, the arrow goes red, so I'm going to redefine the style, and you'll see that the heading down below changes. Now I'm going to change the font back to something a bit more decent, like Arial Black, I don't know, that'll do. And now I'm going to update the style. I could have used heading 2 the whole way through a 25-page document. All I've got to do is click that, and any other headings will change. The same is true for any of the styles you use in a document.